Hi, I'm Maggie Herman. I'm a United States Air Force veteran, and I'm very proud to work at Lord. I'm actually an immigrant. I came from another country. When I was little, I was 8 years old. I was born in Poland, and that has a lot to do with the way I feel about being a veteran and being in America, because I think a lot of things that we have the freedom to do are taken for granted here because they've never seen the other side. When you do see the other side, you do appreciate what you have. 4 days, but I wanted to experience a little bit. So I got on the delayed enlistment program, which was a year before I graduated. I went right in. Unfortunately, I was only in 4 years. I had to get out and come back home to help my mom. Being a veteran to me, is an honor, and I'm very proud to say that I am. When I was stationed in Grand Forks Air Force Base in North Dakota, I did the test and I went to the courthouse to get sworn in as a United States citizen. That was one of my proudest moments, and I wore my uniform and I went in there and put my hand up and I became a citizen that day. The thing that sticks out, how much they emphasize teamwork. That's why I'm very passionate about teamwork here at Lord, because we're not our separate entities here. We are all one. It's the relationship that you develop. Sometimes we have to be a little stern, but that's where the brownies and the cookies come in. That was one of the greatest things that I think Lord in this area did. It just shows respect that they, cared that all the veterans' names are on there. And the amazing part of it is how many there are on that wall. You feel proud that it's displayed, that your name is actually on the board where you work for what you did. And on Veterans Day, my old bosses here and a lot of other veterans, they actually stop by, make it a point to stop by and thank me for my service, so that makes you feel good. Very little things that matter the most. To me, a veteran means freedom.